Now, repeat after me. Allure, allure, allure. Meaning. Allure refers to the quality of being powerfully attractive or fascinating. It's the charm or appeal that draws people in, whether it's the allure of a place, a person, or an idea. In a sentence, the allure of the ocean kept them returning to the beach year after year. Here, allure refers to the irresistible attraction of the ocean. Let's try another example. Her allure was undeniable. She had a charm that captivated everyone around her. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using allure. Synonyms. Some related terms for allure are charm, the power to attract or enchant others. Appeal, the quality that makes something attractive or interesting. Antonyms. The opposite of allure would be repulsion, a feeling of intense dislike or aversion. Indifference, lack of interest or attraction. Part of speech. Allure is a noun referring to the magnetic attraction or appeal of someone or something. It can also be used as a verb, meaning to attract or entice. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.